Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Miracle Mirror. In today's video I'm gonna share with you guys a tomato face serum for tanning, acne scars and wrinkles. This will be a wonderful remedy to try out. So let's get started. We will need tomato, aloe vera gel, glycerin. Take a ripe tomato, cut it into half and squeeze it like this to get the juice. Now take 2 teaspoons of this juice into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of glycerin and mix very well. Apply it onto your face and then massage it until it is completely absorbed into your skin. Here I have used tomato. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C and many other nutrients which helps to heal acne and acne scars quickly. It helps to rebuild and rejuvenate our skin, leaving the skin glowing and flawless. Aloe vera gel. It has anti-inflammatory properties which helps to remove pigmentation or blemishes faster. Glycerin. It contains glycerol which helps to reduce acne, wrinkles and fine lines. Use this remedy on a regular basis to get better results. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.